Hi, it's Bill here. Welcome to Excel for Dinosaurs tutorial number 9. I'm just going to show you how to insert a comment and a note and then how to delete them. I don't use them that much at all. I don't have much use for them, but they are there. I'm going to show you how to use them because we'll need them in the next section, the paste special function. Right, I'll go to the number 10 here. I'm going to right click, put in a new comment. I'll just put hello. Could be anything. Click on that. Somebody can come in later and reply. I'm just going to get out of there. I'm now going to. You'll see there's a purple edging around the top right of the cell. If you print it out, it's invisible, but when you're in the spreadsheet, you can see it. I'm going to go back into the cell. I'm going to right click. I'm going to delete the comment. On the same cell, I'm going to come back in. I'm going to right click. I'm going to have a new note. This time it has a little red sort of triangle in the top right hand corner. Again, I'll put in again hello. Could be anything. Could be a note about what the formula is for or whatever. I'll get out. You can see the right triangle there. I'll come back in. I'll right click and I will delete the note. Now the reason I've shown you that is because the notes and the comments function in this paste special function, which I'll show you on the next tab. When we copy something or other, I've only shown you how to copy and paste. Now let's just do that. We'll do a demo. I'll copy paste this range here and I'll paste it to the right. Paste. That just gives you everything that's in there. I'll undo that and show you what you can do with the copy paste function. It's quite powerful. I'll show you most of them. I won't show you the validation because we haven't done validation yet and we haven't done source theme and the paste link is probably too advanced at this stage. Okay, I'll do this again. I'll copy paste. Oops, copy. Sorry about that. I'm going to click where I want to go. I'm going to right click and select paste special. Now let's have a look at this. We could paste the formulas. We'll go and paste the formulas and see what we get. See, there's no formatting. The numbers are there exactly as they are, and the formula there with the 50 in it still has equals sum E22 to E26. I'll undo that. I'm going to right click in the same place, and this time I'm going to paste the values. Paste special values comes in handy. I'll just move them down. Paste special values. So when I go into the numbers, the 10s are 10s as you'd expect, but the 50, which was originally an equal sum function, is now 50. That is quite useful because often you'll find you have some data in a cell which itself has a formula and you want that to come out of it just as a value. So that's a very useful function. I use that quite a lot. Okay, I'll undo that. I'll paste the formats. Now if I right click again, paste special, I'm going to paste the formats. So there's just formats in there. So if I was to put something in there, 5, that will be blue. Now if I put 8 in there, it's bold. If I was to put anything up here, that would be bold. Again, very useful because you'll find you're using a spreadsheet and all of a sudden something's in the wrong format and you have to try and figure out what format it is. Just go to another cell that has the correct format and copy paste the format to it. Very useful. Well, it'll undo all of that. Okay, all except borders. So I'll paste special. All except borders. Again, quite useful. You'll find you copy stuff and you've got unwanted borders. This time I've copied it, pasted it, and there are no borders around it at all, which is very useful. So out of all of these, the values of formats and all except borders are the ones I'd use the most. Okay, I'll undo that. This is an unusual one, copy paste column widths. So I will paste special column widths and the column will get wider. So it's now the same width as column C. Okay, I'll get out of there. Formulas and number formats. So I'll copy that. Paste special. Formulas and number formats. It's given me the formulas, it's given me the number formats, but it hasn't given me the font formats or the borders. I don't really have much use for that one. Values and number formats. Paste special. Values and number formats. Okay, it's given me the values, it's given me the number formats, but it hasn't given me the fonts. There's no bold, there's no borders around it. I wouldn't use that much either. Okay, now let's have a look. There's some operations. These are quite cool. So we'll go back to our copy range. I'll put these in here on purpose for a demo. I'm going to copy 1 to 5. I'm going to come across to the paste range, and I'm going to go paste special. I'll move this out the way, and I'm going to add. So I'm going to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 onto the 5 tens. Bingo. Quite useful. Have used it. Let's come back. We'll paste special again. This time I'm going to subtract. So I'm going to subtract the first row. I'll go back again. I'll just go back. I'm going to subtract the first row, the copy range, off the paste range. We'll do that again. Paste special. Subtract, and you'll see they've all been reduced by the data in the copy range. Okay, we'll go back. This time we will try paste special. We will move that out of the way. We will multiply them. You see they've all the data in column C has been multiplied by the data in column B. Again, I have used that. It can be quite useful. And we'll try this last one. Paste special. Get them out of the way. This time we'll do the divide. So the data in column C has been divided by the data in column B. Again, quite useful. I haven't used it much though. Okay, let's try this. I'm just going to try something different altogether now. I'm going to, I'll copy the copy range 1. I'll copy that and I'll just show you another one. Right click, paste special. You can transpose the data. So I'm going, where we've got a column of data, watch what happens when I select transpose. It converts the data. I'll make this a bit wider for you. I'll go across. So where I had a column B with copy range 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 15, it has now converted that column to a range, sorry, to a row. So if I come across and copy this data, I'll do it again the other way. I'm going to copy it, come underneath it, right click, paste special. I'm going to transpose it back to a column. And you can combine them. I've just copied it as it is. If I right click again, when you do the paste special, you could transpose it and have it as values. So you can mix and match. So it's quite useful. I'll undo all of that. Get rid of all that. Now there was one other one here. If I right click this data, you'll see there I've deliberately got spaces or nothing on row 32 and nothing on row 34. I've never used this one, but it is there, so I'll just show it to you. I'll copy that, paste special, skip the blanks. So where there was nothing in row 32, nothing in row 34, nothing has come across. Again, if I haven't tried this, but let's give it a go. I will paste special. We will skip the blanks and we'll add and see what happens. Oh, actually that wouldn't make any sense, would it? No point in doing that. But I can't see. We could skip the blanks and multiply, and that works. Because if you didn't do that, if we were just to copy that, oops, if we were to copy this, paste special, multiply, you're going to get zeros in rows 32 and rows 34, and you might not want that. So it does work. Anyway, the main thing there is paste special function. It's a very useful function. My most common uses for that would be copy paste special values, copy paste special formats, and sometimes transpose. Anyway, I hope you like this tutorial. Look forward to seeing you next one. Thanks for watching.